Out with the old, in with the new. This will be Overkill's 8th PC giveaway, this bad boy right here. First, it was the 1080 Ti Ryzen machine, then it was the Thermaltake PC, then it was Cyberpunk, the Galaxy PC, then we did Racing Sims, then we did a mini Milky Way PC. Now by the time you guys are seeing this, we've already given away Biohazard. Check up there for the winner. Now it's on to Blue Steel, this month's giveaway. Now before we tell you how to win Blue Steel here, let's show you how we brought this masterpiece together. To start off with, I'm sure you guys have noticed that this isn't your typical O11 dynamic color. We actually decided to get it sandblasted and custom painted. This color shift color actually goes from a real nice deep purple to a real light blue. We put the Intel 10900K in there with this EK Quantum Magnitude block. Black actually does a really nice accent to it. Really sets off a lot of the other colors in there. And we've got the RTX 3080 on this EKWB block with the EKWB backplate. We put in these really nice Lian Li Bora digital fans with the silver facing, really accents the rest of the colors as well. We've got 32 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance RAM. Now for the past week and a half, we've been mixing multitudes of different colors together, trying to figure out what would best suit this PC. Now the colors are amazing. You see the blues, the greens, this deep purple, but we just couldn't find one that would actually set it off the way we felt it needed to be set off. Until this morning when we came in and we're about to do the fill, we had the clear liquid running through it, and all three of us had the same thought process, was that clear liquid absolutely sets this machine off and gives it that touch of class we were looking for. So how do you win Blue Steel in the complete gaming package? Go to the link in our comments, download the competition app. Inside that app, if you want to get more entries, you can go to the giveaway page and share. The more people that come in from your share, the more entries you get. So not only do you get an entry for downloading, you get an entry for every person that you bring into the app. For example, if you share it to Facebook and you get 100 people, that's 100 more entries for you to win this bad boy. So in closing, we wish each and every single one of you the best of luck in winning Blue Steel in this full gaming package. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, see ya.